Welcome back to Auto's Car, where we bring you the legends of the automotive world, and today, we are diving into a true workhorse and classic icon, the 1988 Chevrolet C1500. This pickup is more than just a truck. It is a chapter in American automotive history. The C1500 was part of the GMT 400 platform, which debuted in 1988 and represented a big leap forward for Chevrolet trucks. With a fresh aerodynamic design, improved comfort, and more refined engineering, it set the tone for how pickup trucks would evolve in the decades to come. The 1988 model year marked the beginning of a new era for Chevy trucks. Before this, pickups were often built with ruggedness in mind but offered little in the way of comfort. The C1500 changed that perception. It brought smoother lines, flush-mounted headlights, and better aerodynamics while keeping the dependable build quality that owners loved. The interior was also more car-like, with upgraded seats, better dashboard layout, and more attention to driver comfort. This was a truck that could work hard all week and still be comfortable enough for weekend cruising. Under the hood, the 1988 Chevrolet C1500 offered several engine options, from the reliable 4.3-liter V6 to the powerful 5.7-liter V8. These engines were paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, giving drivers plenty of flexibility based on their needs. Whether hauling heavy loads, towing, or just daily driving, the C1500 delivered solid performance. Its suspension was upgraded compared to earlier models, providing a smoother ride without sacrificing durability. This made it equally at home on the job site or on a long highway trip. What really made the 1988 C1500 stand out was its versatility. Available in multiple cab styles and bed lengths, owners could choose the configuration that suited them best. The regular cab short bed was a favorite for those who wanted a sportier look, while the extended cab with long bed was ideal for serious work and cargo space. This customization helped the C1500 appeal to a wide audience, from small business owners to weekend adventurers. Over the years, the 1988 Chevrolet C1500 has earned a loyal following among enthusiasts and collectors. Its clean lines, classic proportions, and dependable mechanicals make it a favorite for restorations and custom builds. Many people today still use them as daily drivers, proof of the truck's lasting reliability. Finding one in good condition has become more challenging, but for those lucky enough to own one, it is a true piece of Chevy heritage. Driving a 1988 C1500 feels like stepping back into a time when trucks were simpler yet incredibly capable. The steering is straightforward, the engine sound is pure mechanical music, and the build quality gives a reassuring sense of strength. It is not overloaded with electronics, and that makes it easier to maintain and repair, another reason why these trucks are still on the road decades later. Here at Auto's Car, we appreciate vehicles.